AI is evolving from simple prompts to intelligent agents that can reason, act, and automate real work. Organizations want to build AI agents but struggle with the skills needed. From designing workflows, to grounding models securely, to integrating AI into real business systems. Microsoft gives teams everything they need to build intelligent, grounded, and secure AI agents, including Azure AI Studio, Azure OpenAI, Copilot Studio, Fabric pipelines, and integrated agent actions. FastLane, as a Microsoft Authorized Learning Partner, teaches teams how to design, build, and deploy agentic AI solutions. This includes prompt engineering, grounding data, multi-step agent orchestration, and secure deployment. With the right Microsoft skills, teams move beyond experimentation. They build real AI agents that automate workflows, accelerate productivity, and scale impact across the organization. Start building intelligent apps and AI agents with FastLane.